Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all know what time it is, If y'all new here or y'all been here before and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what y'all doing, man. Y'all need to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, all I gotta say, man, is you've been missing out. Y'all been missing out to free information. Free information. I'm glad y'all found me, you know what I'm saying? Y'all saved now, you know what I'm saying? Y'all saved because I'm here. I'm gonna take care of y'all, you know what I'm saying? Trust me, look through my videos, scroll through my videos. Don't even go by the videos itself. Click on the video and then click on all the comments. I'm telling you, man, I'm here to really help you. I'm here to really give you real information. I'm not just gonna sit there and be like, oh yeah, go for X-ray tech, go for nursing. All we do in X-ray is press a button. All we do in nursing is just, give patients medication or whatever. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna keep it 100. I want you to make the best decision for you, not just for you right now, but for you in the future, okay? So trust me, that's why I'm here, guys. I wish I had a mentor back in the day. You know what I'm saying? YouTube wasn't even around, you know what I'm saying? And my parents worked in the fields, you know what I'm saying? I'm Mexican. So, my parents came from Mexico. You know, my mom's from Texas, but came from Mexico. They worked in the labor all their life, man. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't have the guidance to be like, oh yeah, how do you get into radiology? How do you get into nursing? How do you get into becoming a teacher? How do you become into IT? Like, I don't know. I never knew that. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I started my channel, guys, because I want to help you, generally help you make a good decision, okay? So today's video's 3 ways on how to make more money in X-ray, okay? So I'm gonna start with Florida. Not even start. This video is just about Florida and because that's where I'm reside. But you can kind of do a little due diligence and see what other states pay. But for the Florida salary, is this yearly? I'm gonna say yearly, roughly, and that's based off 3 days of work generally at a hospital setting, and so that gives you 4 days off, right? So basically, if you make that much money, right, in 3 days, the first way to make more money, yes, pick up another job, bruh. That's it. You have 4 days off. You do 3/12s. Just for instance, for example, you work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3/12, 7:30. Now you have, be like, you know what? I need a break. I'm not gonna work on Thursday. I'm gonna work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 3/12s. Boom. Yes, it's a lot, but at the end of the day, this economy, we need that money. You know what I'm saying? You want money? That's another way of making money. Another job, and that doesn't even have to be full time. It could be PRN. You know what I'm saying? That way you can kind of say your hours and be like, you know what? I don't mind working 4 days in a row, but I don't want to work 12s. I want to work 8s. When you're PRN, you make the rules. You'll be like, look, I just want to work 7 to 3:30. I want the afternoon off. If I were to work 3/12s, 99.9% of the time, they're going to be like, okay, it's fine. We need you. We need your help. So you're going to be good. So that's extra money there. So if you work 8 hours, times 30, that's what, 32, no, 8 times 4 is 32 hours. At whatever salary, you're making an extra 1K a week. You know what I'm saying? Just working extra money. Sorry, man, I get some spiders in here sometimes. I'm like, ah. But anyway, so that's one way, right? The second way is this. Yeah, they do, man. They give you sign-on bonuses. So for a 2-year commitment, right now, places are giving $15,000 to $20,000 of sign-on bonus. It's crazy money. Back then, when I got done being a tech, I had to beg for a job. There was no X-ray jobs out there. You know what I'm saying? I had to be like, man, please, I need a job. Yo, I need a job. Please hire me. Yo, bro, I had to beg for a job. Like, there was no jobs like that out there. Like, it was just crazy. Now I get calls. They be like, hey, I get alerts. Be like, hey, man, we're looking for a CT tech. Hey, man, I need you to work here. Hey, man, do this. Hey, like, bro, it's a blessing. But, I'm telling you guys, that's another way, man. Every 2 years, switch places. Be like, man, I'm going to do 2 years with you. Well, okay, give me them 15, 20K. And 2 more years, I'm going to become a free agent like LeBron. Free agent. And I'll be like, hey, man, I'm going to go across the street, get another 20K. And 2 more years, I'm going to go somewhere else and get another 15, 20K. Bro, in 6 years, you made 60K plus your salary. And plus the second job you're going to get to make money. Bro, there's money out there. You know what I'm saying? So Think about that. So the third way of making more money is this. Yeah, this. So in Florida, and I guess they're nationwide, right? HCA is a big, huge company. And no, I'm not sponsored by HCA, but they want to sponsor me. Y'all already know. Holla at your boy. But anyway, on a serious note, so HCA is so big, right? In Florida, there's so many HCA hospitals, HCA facilities that you can work at. So what they do, when you're a tech, you go to healthtrust.com and basically apply for them, right? And what it is run by HCA, but it's a PRN position for all the HCA hospitals around Florida, okay? So basically, to give you an example, you can go to West Palm Beach and be like, hey, I want to go work at this hospital, HCA. I want to work for you, PRN. They'll be, okay, come on. You know, we're PRN, make $32 an hour, cool. But if you go to Health Trust, you got to be RT, of course. You go to Health Trust, and they're going to hire you as a PRN, but they're going to hire you as a PRN for the whole state of Florida. So basically, be like, you know what? One day I'm going to go to West Palm. One day I'm going to go to, just throwing states out there in little areas. I'm going to go to Orlando. I'm going to go to Tampa next week, or I'm going to go here. And they're paying you $44 an hour to do that. Same PRN position, but you're not just settled at one place. You're an HCA employee, all around the state. And that's cool, man. Like $44 an hour, you do one 12-hour shift. I'm not good at math, but that's at least, I don't know, $1K maybe a day. No, it's not a day, right? not great at math, but it might be $600-700 a day. You know what I'm saying? Instead of doing PRN, making 32, working 12 hours, making 400, might as well just be a PRN for Health Trust. Go out there, make $600-700 a day, and that's extra money right there. You know what I'm saying? So there's ways, guys, of getting paid as an X-ray tech. All right. So I'm glad, guys, that y'all stayed to the end. I'm glad that y'all stayed here and y'all gonna make this money. And y'all already know, man, I'll be back. Go ahead and subscribe. Stay tuned. Y'all already know. I'll be back, guys. Peace.